What's up?
We're in our beautiful backyard paradise. Beautiful, beautiful home. Nice subdivision area.
Oh, you got it. I missed. I shot way over it. Sit down, sit down.
Freaking peep sight, man. I couldn't see him.
Dude, I shot way over it.
I could not see my peep sight, dude.
Put another arrow on.
Oh, I can smell that sucker. Well, we just shot a really big hog in this backyard. We built this little blind this afternoon, and we got these chairs from around the pool, and we shot a pig at about 30 yards in their backyard. That's been tearing up their nice St. Augustine grass. So it's a big one. Hopefully we can find them. So we'll go see.
We just found this big old boy. We actually thought I missed him and Justin hit it. And then we found Justin's arrow, realized I hit it. And then we looked for it for a little while, never found anything. So we were heading back. All of a sudden, just kind of out of the blue, I noticed, found my arrow. It was covered in blood. There was blood everywhere. So we tracked him a little ways, and sure enough, here he was, probably about 100 yards from where we shot him. And he's pretty nice sized boar. If you look up close, you can probably notice there is a broadhead in his forehead, and that's from our good buddy Zach Wright. About a week ago, shot this sucker right in the head. Didn't even phase him. But here we are tonight. I got him. It was a terrible shot, but it hit that femoral artery in his hind quarter there. He was bleeding everywhere. He bled out pretty quick. That's that artery right there. If you hit that, they're not gonna last very long at all. So, but anyways, we got this big old boy in the middle of town, pretty much.
It's in city limits, in the backyard by a swimming pool.
Backyard, yeah. So, but anyways.
Time to go celebrate in the hot tub.
Yeah.